Red Sand Dunes Adventure.
Red Sand Dunes, located approximately 50 kilometers northeast of Riyadh. Engage in a traditional camel ride to immerse yourself in the cultural heritage of the region. Tips for visiting. First, timing. The colder months from November to March are ideal for outdoor activities. Next is preparation. Wear comfortable clothing and sturdy footwear suitable for desert terrain. Essentials. Bring sunscreen, cap or hat, sunglasses, and ample water to stay hydrated. And if you need guided tours, consider joining a guided tour to enhance your experience and to ensure safety. The Red Sand Dunes offer a memorable desert experience just a short drive from Riyadh. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.